Hey, what's up guys? This is Max from Caveman. I'm going to show you how to make a microwave omelet. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, get yourself a nice microwavable oven, of course. Just set that down, and make sure it's big enough so you can fit some eggs in there. Take your eggs, crack them in there. See, cracked eggs in there. You can put as many as you want. Next, you're going to take a little fat, some coconut oil maybe, or some butter, whatever you like. Take coconut oil, about a tablespoon. Toss that in there. Get yourself a fork. Whisk this up until it's well combined. I'm going to take this over to our microwave. Put it in for about, let's try 2 minutes. Should be enough. And the thing about the microwave omelet is that you can pretty much put anything you want in it. You can put some veggies in there if you want. You can put some butter, some cheese, whatever you feel comfortable with and whatever your stomach can take. It's a great way to have some breakfast on the go. If you don't have time to stop in your dining hall, you can just whip up a quick microwave omelet and voila, you got breakfast of the champions. Okay, let's check out what we got. Delicious looking eggs for a delicious breakfast. This is from Caveman College Shots. Hope you enjoy your eggs.